Hello and welcome to Math Tutorials. This video will be about division. So to start off, we have a question, which is 65 divided by 5. Let's name this number 1 and this number 2. So what we do is we write the first number, so number 1. We put this sign above it, which is the division sign, another way of writing this. And we put 5 on the outside. So this is the inside, and this is the outside. So 65, the number we're dividing inside, and number 2, the number we are dividing by on the outside. So now we have it in the format we need. The next step is the division itself. So we look here, we say we have a 5. And here we have a 6. So we look at the first digit of the number we are dividing. How many groups of 5 can we fit into 6? Well, the answer is 1. So we put 1 above. And now we imagine it like this. How many groups of 5 can I give away? Right? So we have 6. We can only give one group of 5 away. So we gave it away. And now, what we have left is 6 minus 5. So only 1. Now we look at our new number, this combined. We have 15. How many 5s can we give away from 15? We can give 3 5s. And luckily, that will equal exactly 15, and we are left with 0. This means our division is complete. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is our answer. What is at the top? So here, it is 13. Alright, let's do a second one. For our second one, we have 77. Let's do divided by 5 as well. So what we do, remember, first number inside, and the number we are dividing by outside. 77 divided by 5. We take a look at the first number inside. It's 7. How many 5s can we give away? Only 1. So we write 1, and 7 minus 5 is 2. We drop the 7 down. How many 5s can we give away when we have 27? We can give away 5. So we write 5 here, and 5 times 5 is 25. So minus 25 is 2. So basically, all we have left now, we can't drop any more numbers, is 2. Now here's the trick. We can drop down a 0. But if we drop down a 0, we need to put a decimal point here. And that is what we're going to do. We drop we put a decimal point over here, and we drop down a 0. So here's the 0, imaginary 0. And it drops down right over here. Now we have 20. How many 5s can fit into 20? 4. In our answer we write 4. Our answer is 15.4. This number over here. And check it on the calculator. I'm sure you'll have the same answer. Let's continue. For 3 we'll say we have 597 divided by 5. Now right away we know our answer will have a decimal place, but we don't know where, so let's continue. Don't be afraid of the large number. It actually makes it, believe it or not, division funner. So 597, first number divided by 5, which is our second number. How many 5s can fit into 5? Well, only 1. So we write 1 minus 5 is 0. And now we drop the 9. How many 5s fit into 9? The answer is 1. 9 minus 1, 5 is 4. And now we drop down the 7. So down it goes, we have 47. How many 5s can fit into 47? Now this is a good place to memorize the times table. It will help you out a lot. Well, the answer is 9. We write 9 in our answer. 9 times 5, 45. We take 45 away, and we have 2 left. And now again, we may imagine a 0, but in order to do that, we have to put a decimal point. So now we drop down the 0. So now it's 20. How many 5s fit into 20? 4.4. Our answer is 19.4. And here we may write 20 minus 20 is 0. Alright, perfect. Let's go on. For number 4, we will write, let me think of a number. Let's do 597. But this time we will divide it by 4. So again, 597 divided by 4. And now we look, how many groups of 4 can we fit into 5? 1. 1 minus 1 4 is 1. We drop down the 9. How many 4s can we fit into 19? The answer is 4, because 4 times 4 is 16. We can't take a 5th one, it'll be 20. It will be above the number we have. So we write 4, and 4 minus 16 is 3. And now this 7 drops down. So again, how many 4s can we fit into 37? The answer is 9, because 9 times 4 is 36. It's the possibly largest number we can take. So we write 9 minus 36 equals 1. And now look at this. We only have 1 left. So we put a decimal point and we continue. So we drop down an imaginary 0 because we put the decimal point. Now we have 10. How many 4s fit into 10? It's 2. So we write 2 here. And over here, so this is my bottom, imagine. This is my bottom number, the 10. So we subtract 8. Because we took 2 4s, we have 2 left. Again, we drop down an imaginary 0. But here's the tricky part. Only one time do we have to put a decimal point. This decimal point pays for unlimited zeros, unlimited imaginable zeros we can drop down. So this time, no need for a decimal point. Just drop down another 0. We have 20. How many 4s fit into 20? It is 5. So we write down 5, here minus 20, 0. Our division is complete. 149.25 is our answer. Now I just want to demonstrate for number 5. The most difficult ones you can get is something like 60 divided by 12. This way, all you really have to do is notice, hey, 12 is the same as 2 times 6, and 60 is the same as 2 times 30. 30 is times 6 times more, or 5 times more than 6. Therefore, our answer is 5. So this is the difficulty of this method, but it rarely appears. So this method is actually very helpful in 99% of the situations. So I definitely recommend it, just as I do with my column way. And now, for a small trick for my subscribers, let's do 77 divided by 5 again. So just like we had here, we drop down a 0 to get our answer of 15.4. Truly, we don't have to drop down any zeros. 77 divided by 5. We write it down again, first number, second number. How many times does 5 fit into 7? 1. Here we take away 1, 5 is 2. 7. We drop down to 7. 27. How many 5s can fit into this number? 5 minus 25 is 2. And at this point, instead of dropping down the 0 and adding the decimal point, you add the decimal point, but divide your remainder. No, you don't have to add anything. You divide your remainder by the number you're dividing by. So in this situation, we have 2 divided by 5. So this number divided by this number. And this is equal to 0.4. So to our answer, we add 0.4. And therefore we get 15.4. So yeah, this is basically it. Thank you for watching our video. Here are a few practice problems you can do at home. So let's do 18 divided by 4. Let's do 370 divided by 2. And for our third one, let's do 4,509 divided by 4. So you can practice these at home. My next video will provide you guys with the answers to these questions. So don't forget to subscribe. Check out our other videos of addition, subtraction, multiplication. I hope you enjoyed our channel, our video. See you next time.